Hi guys, welcome back to the channel, or welcome if you're new here. Thank you for joining me today. I really do appreciate your time and support on the channel. So today we are going to be doing some swatches of some Colourpop palettes I got from a really good friend. So she kindly gifted me the High Tide and Blush Crush palettes. So we're going to be swatching them. Obviously we're going to be doing that in individual videos, and then along with the High Tide we've got this little wave breaker set here, and then we've got a Colourpop Supershocks shadow in the shade Like a Moss. That's Raw Beauty Christie's collection. So what I'm going to do with this one is I'll swatch this one with the Blush Crush palette. So I'll swatch them together. And then I think I'm going to swatch these together as well. So the High Tide and the Wave Breaker, they'll go together, so we can see what they look like. I'm really excited to do this. So let's go over to the vanity and see what they look like. Right, so here we go guys, we're at the vanity. I'm going to do these ones last, I think, the Wave Breaker ones. We'll concentrate on the High Tide palette first and see how that swatches. Just try and get it central. So yeah, we'll do this first. And while I'm doing it, I will tell you if there are any that aren't suitable for the eye area. And it's not looking like there are. Just looking on the back of the palette, there's no asterisks by it. And I know for a fact there's no glitters in this palette, so I think we're all good. It's just such a beautiful packaging. It's like a plique. It's just really nice, and it's raised and it's texturized. It's just a gorgeous palette. Now a lot of these top shades here look mint, like mint, almost like what they would look like in the mint to be. I need to do some comparisons, I think. Maybe I'll do that in another video. This one here, just a splash, is a sequin shade. So that's what it looks like. So you should be able to see the glitters in it. I don't actually mind these sequin shades. I've just got a little bit of brown eyeliner there, so don't mind that. I'm going to swatch this again. So that is the Just a Splash shade. And then we've got Currant, which is this deeper, we've got this Currant shade here, which is this deeper mint shade. Oh, that's really smooth. Well, I'd say it's more like a minty teal. So that's that one. Do with a wipe. I'll just get one. Right, then we've got Free Floating, that one there. Oh, that's nice. That's like a teal silvery colour. Very unique to my collection. Do a couple of swatches of that. I don't know what it is lately with Colourpop shimmer formula. It just feels quite powdery, whereas the mattes just seem to go on like really nice and buttery. I think it might be just the way Colourpop do their shimmers. Then we've got Urchin, that one there. Ooh, look at that. It's like a really nice blue-green. That's gone on really well. To think I wasn't going to buy this palette. And then we've got Must See here. So that's a shimmer of that row. Oh, that's beautiful. You can see me using that one first. That's that one there, Must See. Then we've got Flora here. So that's that one there. That's quite a deep teal green shade. And then we have got this one that looks really nice, this shimmer here, Muscle Beach. Looks really, really unique. Oh my gosh, look at that. That is so unique. I don't have anything like that. So I don't know what put me off getting this. It almost looks like a duochrome. Can you see that? That's really pretty. And then we've got New Wave, this one down here. Just do another swatch. So that's New Wave. And then the last shade, let me just take that one off, is Luna, which is like a blue green. Well, it's more a blue really than a green. So that's Luna. Right, and what we're going to do now is we're going to swatch the Supershocks Karen sent me as well. And that's what they look like. Real pretty. So let's do this. So we'll swatch Sure Thing first. This really lovely green. Oh my gosh. Thank you so much, Karen. That is absolutely stunning. I mean, I probably need to go in a few times because it's swatching very sheer on the arm, but look at that. That's Sure Thing. So now we need to swatch Coconut, blue one here. Naomi from Beauty Dreams by Naomi would love that if she hasn't already got it in a collection. I don't know what Supershocks she's got. I'm sure you'll let me know, Naomi, if you've got it. Oh my gosh. Look at it. These Supershocks are so much nicer than the ones in the palette. So much more pigmented. So that's the entire palette. So that's the entire palette up to there. And then we've got Sure Thing and Coconut there. So can you see it? So that's those. So guys, this concludes this video. Thank you so much for watching today. I really do appreciate your time and support on the channel. Please like, subscribe, share and comment, and I will see you in my next one. Bye guys.